Hello, I'm Chujai. Welcome to my channel. I'm presenting the story of the heart of the sea. I got the inspiration to write this story from the songทะเลใจsung by Lula and Top Paradox. As I said, I like to listen to the music, and I always listen to the lyrics before the melody. The evening sun shone on the water's surface, and the sky became golden. Flocks of birds, big and small, returned to their nests. A young woman sat beneath a large tree, looking out at the golden water. What was she thinking of? The sun was slowly setting since the night was approaching. The water and the sky that were once bright gold were now dark black. All of the animals and people in the area were beginning to rest. A young woman was still sitting beneath the same tree. Everything was silent except for the gentle sound of waves crashing against the shore, which was accompanied by the sound of treetops and crickets. It was strangely beautiful to hear. Even in the darkness, stars twinkled in the sky. They were as beautiful as the glitter on a princess dress. A young woman remained motionless. What was she thinking about? Not long after, there was the sound of footsteps coming from behind her. She was still sitting there looking at the sea. The footsteps approached her slowly and then stopped. Were these the footsteps of the man she would be thinking about? Yes, he was sitting beside her. He reached out and took her hand. He clutched it tightly. The man looked into her eyes, filled with tears. He hugged her, but he continued to hold her hand. He softly whispered, "I am back." Tears flowed down her cheeks, but it shook her heart. "It is dark, and I am scared," she said quietly, clutching his hand tightly. After hearing this, he smiled fondly at her and said, "Hold my hand. Don't be scared." The two walked home together under a dark sky full of stars. She was no longer afraid because he was close by and had promised to never leave again. Even if the sea is black, the rocks are eroded by water, the sky is dark without stars, or the sea is silent, a whisper from someone can turn the black sea into white. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to encourage me.